Hi, I'm Adam from Forgotten Studios, and in this video we're going to look at how to design custom compression and limiting algorithms using the Forgotten Waveshaper 2. So, if you think about compression, what it really is an automated volume change. So, with Forgotten Waveshaper 2, we can make a static volume change by using linear extension clipping and just placing the point anywhere. I usually place it fully to the right, but it doesn't really matter. And if we listen to the drum loop, if I place the point lower, it's just going to turn the signal down. And now we have a static volume change. And if we want it to be dynamic, we just have to engage the dynamic section. So you have just two basic controls. At the moment, these will work like you would expect a compressor to work. Maybe the attack and release values will not be react the way you are used to from a compressor, but they're basically the same thing. And now we just have some basic compression or limiting if you have a ratio of infinity to 1. And we can make it more interesting by adding more points. And now you can hear kind of this, the kick sounds a lot different. Interesting. Yeah, you can do whatever you want. If you make a more extreme wave shape, it's going to result in distortion. In fact, now it's distorting too already, but it's more of a timbre change than distortion, at least in my opinion. And actually, if you're designing a distortion algorithm, I would experiment with using logarithmic points, as it will change the way the compression behaves. Using logarithmic points is more like the typical way I would use it. And actually, you can have more complicated setups. At the moment, we've lost all the low end in the kick, and maybe I don't want to compress the kick. So I separate the low end. I still have that kind of interesting part of the frequency spectrum in the kick that I like. And now I can go a step further. Maybe I want to compress the kick, but not not the low end of the kick. So just route the band output of the first frequency band, which is the lowest one, to our wave shape, which is wave shape number 1. So now it's reacting to the kick, interestingly. Cool stuff. And actually, you can go a step further and make a kind of feedback compression. So now we have the output fed back as a detection input for our dynamic section. And actually changes the sound. Yeah, really cool stuff. I could experiment for days, but that's just getting a concept of what it's doing and how you would go to about designing your own custom compression algorithm. So thanks for watching, and if you'd like to know more about all the different controls, you can check out the manual, and you can also check out the other videos on this channel. Thanks for watching, and goodbye.